Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers, in the last lecture we have learned first 4 words of Adhan. Now first I am repeating those words. The first 2 words are Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So in these 4 words, if you have any questions, you can ask anytime. And now we are going to learn the next 2 words only. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Focus on the ups and downs. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. The first letter is a little bit different from the second one. You have to differentiate between the 2 letters. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. And second one, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. And now I am telling you some common mistakes. Some people says Ashhadu an la ilaha. So we have to focus and we have to say very softly. Ashhadu an la ilaha. Ashhadu an la ilaha. So this is the first mistake. People say Ashhadu Allah. You have to say Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. And the second mistake is people commonly stretch voice straightly. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. This is the mistake. You have to focus on the ups and downs. Just like Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. You have to practice again and again and listen again and again. Maybe you put headphones on your ears so that you can concentrate on this adhan. And if you have any question, you can ask anytime. I will be very happy to answer these questions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.